Yeah.
What's up, man? It's cracking in the hood. What do you want me to ask you? I heard you got your survey to do.
Do you value netball as a real sport?
Yeah, man. It's like 1-2-1. Like, you know, us in the hood, we loving netball, man. It's like the 1-2 of the basketball, man. Like, you know how you can do that swish shots, man. We can still do that netball.
Yeah, all right.
We love it. We love it.
Do you think it's a male or female sport?
Oh, man, I don't know. You know, we don't really get none of them mamacitas coming down here. So like, it's only the boys that played here. So, you know, I'm gonna have to agree to disagree that it's a male sport. You know.
Would you watch netball on TV?
Netball, yeah, man. Before the mamacitas are playing it, I'm down, man. I'm loving that.
What about, would you play it?
Ooh, I don't know, you know, if them mamacitas checking me out, it's a different story there, you know. I'd rather be checking them out, but, you know, I love the game. Us boys play it, you should get into it, you know. It's easy game, man.
What influences stop you from playing it?
Influences stop me? I don't know, you know, you get them crackheads that walk around telling you you're a girl, you're a bitch, you're playing netball. You know, we don't care. Netball is ball, ball is ball, you know. We all do the same thing.
Do you like ball?
Ah, man, don't be playing me like